Welcome to the highest bridge of the Philippines. Wow. Wow, look at this. Welcome to Mindanao. Actually way too early to be awake, but it was nice to see it. Bye. There we go. All right. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I had time to wake up properly, and I can talk now. I can talk more now. That's good. So the plan today is to go to the port of Lilioan in Leyte, of course, not in Cebu, and it will take us 1.5 hours and 74 kilometers because I want to catch the ferry to Surigao. The trip through Leyte was pretty short but super beautiful. All right, let's go, let's go. I can feel safe. Wow. Nice car. An old Volkswagen. No trucks allowed. Look at that. That's the Agas-Agas Bridge. Look at that. Okay, maybe I have to go back. Welcome to the highest bridge of the Philippines. Man, that's pretty crazy. Okay, we drive there again because I don't think I can fly the drone in front of the police here or checkpoints. Hier war echt zum Führen, Alter. Bye. Hi. Wow, what an adventure right now. Like really, what you didn't see. I was struggling for 1 hour to get Wi-Fi to download the DJI app because I couldn't find it anymore. But the piece of Wi-Fi was bad. And as soon as I arrived here and I was flying the drone, there were like a lot of people coming. But yeah. Woo! Made it! Did it! Agas-Agas Bridge, the famous bridge here. Okay, let's head to the port now and grab some breakfast. And I met really cool people on the bridge. Like there was a group riding from Samar around, really cool. And there was a couple as well from Leyte. So it was super nice to meet them as well. You should know the price of evil is to know that you belong here. Ooh, you're a fucking nightmare. Okay. Go! It was just standing there like, okay, kill me, kill me. I don't know where I'm driving. I don't have signal. And Google Maps decided to ignore my offline maps. Ooh. Wow, look at this. Wow, mountain range and ocean. That's incredible. I'm not sure if I'm right. Hello, good afternoon. Is here the ferry going to Surigao?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? And what time is the next ferry?
4 p.m.
4 p.m. Okay, where can I buy the ticket?
You back to the highway. Highway, ma'am. Highway. You see Montenegro shipping lines. You proceed to the open.
Montenegro?
Yes, ma'am. Montenegro.
Okay, okay. Salamat. Salamat. Okay, Montenegro. Oh, I can see it. Montenegro shipping lines. Hello, good afternoon. All right, I have the ticket. They told me it's not necessary to go to the Coast Guard. I just need to pay the terminal fee later. All right, I have 4 hours until the ferry is leaving. That means I'm going to a restaurant right now, and it's called the Bikers Restaurant. So I'm a biker. Why not go to the biker restaurant? Should be here. Open. Wow, I'm the only one. I'm the only one here. Crazy. Alright, since I have to wait 4 hours now, I guess I will drive back a little bit because I saw that the water at the coast I've been driving is super beautiful. So I will go back. Maybe I will find a bar or something like that. I don't think so, but maybe. And I want to see it. It was like super beautiful while I was driving here. Yeah. I had my food. I finished half of it because it was really not good. Sorry to say that, but it was really not good. And yeah, chill a little bit and then let's go. There we go again, on the way back, just for a nice view. Why not? Why not? I have time. I still have 3 hours until the ferry is leaving the port, so at least I can use the time. Look how beautiful it is. Look at this water. Look at this. Wow. That's really crazy beautiful. Yeah, that's really nice, man. Okay, are we ready to go to the port now? We are. I am so impressed by the color of the water. Okay, I will stand up now so you can see something. Look at this. At least 10 different blue tones. Really. Bye-bye. Let's go to the port. Up, up. Can I go? Salamat.
A few moments later.
Finally ready to board. Let's go.
Nice hair.
Thank you. Last one. First cars. Cars first. Okay. I don't have center stand. Whoop. Bye bye. Never happened before, but I'm the first passenger here on the ferry, and we are ready to go. Actually, I think we will leave at around 5 p.m. not at 4 p.m. And I will probably arrive at like either 7 or 9 p.m. in Surigao. Let's see. Bye bye, Leyte. Alright, I'm locked. I cannot go. I have to wait until the cars are driving so I can go out. There we go. We made it out of the ferry and welcome to Mindanao. I don't know how often I received messages with, don't even think about to go to Mindanao. Look where I am. I'm in Mindanao because honestly I don't think it's dangerous. Oh, we need a ticket. Good evening. Salamat. Salamat. Here we are. I'm excited. Wow. We made it to the last island of my Philippine loop. Nice, nice, nice. And it's already 9 p.m. So I will drive straight to my hotel, check in. I forgot that my day started today at 4:30 a.m. So I'm pretty tired. Wow, I cannot believe I'm in Mindanao. I arrived in Surigao and now we will just go south until we reach Davao. That's the plan for now. That's the plan. Oh, we have to go left here. There it is. Yep, we're here. All right, first night in Mindanao. Okay, I checked in my room and just see the difference between Luzon, Bicol, and Samar not that much, but probably yes, and Mindanao. I paid 1,200 pesos per night, which is actually like a super shitty room in Luzon. And I will show you. I will turn the camera. This is what I got. Wait, super big TV and the bathroom. My goodness. Man, welcome to Mindanao. I already love it. Okay, thank you guys for watching and to join my Philippine loop. Don't forget to subscribe, to like my video, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.